Hey, it's Rita. We're at day 2 of Christmas in July. I hope you're enjoying the series, and please comment below and let me know. Also hit that like button, it really helps my channel grow. And if you are a subscriber, thank you. If you're not, please subscribe. I'd love to have you. Let's get right into the DIY. Okay, of course I lost some footage, but what I used is a terracotta pot and the base. I did get these at Dollar Tree earlier in the year. The ribbon, I believe, came from Hobby Lobby or Joann's, but you can use ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I used white spray paint and it did not work very well. I didn't get the coverage I wanted. The black spray paint for the bottom piece worked really well. I am going to go in with some white acrylic paint. Now, as I was spreading the paint on here, I was getting a lot of brush strokes, so I did go back and just kind of sponge it on, and that turned out a whole lot better. And here you'll see what I'm talking about. I'm just dabbing it so that gets rid of all those lines in it. Now, I was going to use buttons for the eyes and mouth, but they just didn't seem to look right. So I'm going to use my paint pen and just draw it on. And then you'll see I use a piece of orange felt to make the nose. Now, you can get the orange felt at Walmart or just about anywhere, and it's like 20-25 cents a piece. Or you could use orange construction paper or just regular paper and color it orange. Now I am going to use some of my eyeshadow, and I'm just going to put a little on the cheeks just to give it a little blush look. And here's what you should have. Now here's that orange felt. You just need to cut a little square, roll it into a triangular shape, hot glue it together, and then hot glue it to the center of the face. Okay, so initially I tried to Mod Podge the ribbon on and it just wasn't staying down, so I did have to hot glue it. And then I went around the top of the ribbon with some jute twine just to give it a finished look and so you wouldn't see the hot glue. I did use hot glue at the bottom so I could push it underneath so it wouldn't be sticking out. And as I'm sure you can tell by now, we are creating a snowman. I didn't mention that at the first of the video. Sorry about that, guys. And like I said, I did try to use some more Mod Podge at the top and it just wasn't holding, so I did go in with more hot glue. And he's beginning to look a lot like Christmas in July. And now I'm just using a few berries off of a pick from Dollar Tree. And I will go in later on and put a little bit of greenery that I snipped off of a pick that I got from Dollar Tree as well. We're at the home stretch, guys. Just a few more items and he will be complete. And here is that little snip of greenery. You can hot glue the top on to the base if you'd like. I chose not to. And now here's that piece of jute twine. Just going to go around the top of this ribbon with it. And the finishing touch will be a red candle. And here you have it, guys, another really affordable Christmas DIY in July. I hope you enjoyed this video today. I believe a total cost of probably $3 to $4 will get you this. I would like to thank all my subscribers for continuing to show me your support. Please hit that like button, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I would love to have you hit that subscribe button and the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. Stay tuned tomorrow for day 3 of